If you want to get a Semrush free trial, the first thing you need to do is click the link in my description right now. That link is the only way to unlock the Semrush 14-day free trial, instead of the standard 7 days you get from signing up normally. It activates automatically when you use my link, no promo codes needed, no workarounds. Just click it, and I will walk you through the rest. Here is exactly how to get your Semrush free trial set up step by step. Once you click the link in the description, you will land on the Semrush page. Do not start clicking around looking for a trial banner or a special offer button. It might not be visible right away. Just go straight to the sign up button in the top right corner of the page. Create your account using your email address or your Google account. Make sure you use a real email because Semrush will send you a verification code you need to confirm before moving forward. Once you enter that code, Semrush will ask you a few quick setup questions about your experience level and what you plan to use the tool for. This takes about 30 seconds. Just pick whatever fits you best and continue. After that, the Semrush free trial 14 days options will appear. You will see two main plans, the Pro plan and the Guru plan. Both come with the full 14-day free trial when you sign up through my link. If you want to get the most out of your Semrush trial, I recommend the Guru plan because it gives you access to more advanced features like historical data, content marketing tools, and deeper competitor research. But if you are just starting out, the Pro plan covers everything you need. Once you pick your plan, click Get Free Trial and enter your payment details. You will not be charged anything today. You only get billed if you decide to keep Semrush after the 14 days are up, and you can cancel anytime before that with no charge at all. The moment you complete that step, you get full access to everything: site audits, keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink audits, rank tracking, and all the professional SEO tools that marketers and agencies use every single day. This is the full platform, completely free for 14 days. Most people searching for how to get Semrush for free end up wasting time on expired promo codes or sketchy third-party sites that do not work. My link in the description is the only verified way to get the extended Semrush 14-day free trial with full access and zero risk. So go to the description right now, click my link, and start your Semrush trial today while this offer is still available. You have 14 full days to explore every tool, audit your site, research your competitors, and see exactly why so many marketers rely on Semrush every day. Do not sit on this. Click the link in my description and get your Semrush free trial started right now.